Hello everyone, welcome to the learning series of Adobe XD. In this learning series, we will learn how to design UI UX. In this introduction part, we will see how to install the Adobe Creative Cloud in your system and how to install the XD in your system. So let's start. First of all, open the Google and search here Adobe Creative Cloud download. Adobe Creative Cloud download. Click on the first link. It will take a few seconds to open. Now click on download Creative Cloud. After that, click on the save button. Once this executable file downloaded successfully, then you have to install in your system and you have to open it. Once you will open it, you will see the interface like this. Now you can see here the install button for Photoshop Express Bridge. Similarly, you will see the install button for XD here, and you have to install it by click on install button. And I have already installed it, so I will click on the open button. Once the XD will open, you will see the interface like this. If you are opening the first time XD, you have to always select the screen size 375 and 667 pixel. Click on this. Now your work area is open. That's all for this video. We will see more on the next video. Thank you for watching.